Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very highly requested video from you guys, and it is gonna be a what's in my purse 2021 featuring my Louis Vuitton new chain bag, aka Passy. I still don't know why they're calling it two different names. It was called the new chain bag and then they changed it to Passy, but I'm still hearing the new chain bag, so I'm very confused. So, and I know I recently just did a what's in my Prada re-edition 2005 crossbody shoulder bag. I just did that one literally January 1st because it's like a tradition of mine. I always do it January 1st of every new year. I've been doing that since like 2018. So, but anyways, I just recently did a review on this bag and you guys have not stopped begging me to do a what's in my purse video for this bag. Literally, I've gotten comments every single day saying, when are you gonna do a what's in my bag for this purse? Like, I love your what's in my purses. Please do a what's in my purse for this new bag. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna give you guys what you want and show you guys everything that I keep in this purse. If you haven't seen the review on this bag, I show you how you can wear it because it is a shoulder and a crossbody bag, if you guys can see. Crossbody, shoulder. So if you guys haven't seen my review, I'll have a link down below for you guys. And I think this bag is still out of stock online, but definitely check your local stores. I give some good tips and information in that review video, so definitely go check that out. But yeah, so if you guys want to see everything that I can fit in my purse and everything that I carry, my purse essentials, etc., then just keep watching. Okay, so this is like completely unfiltered. I have no idea what I'm gonna find in here. I don't think it's too messy though. I usually keep my bags pretty organized and I literally just got this one like a week and a half ago. This is my bag. I'm not gonna go into detail because I do have a full-on review on this bag on my YouTube channel and I love it so much. I have not stopped carrying this bag since I got it. So this is what the bag looks like and I'm gonna prop it up right here just so you guys can see it. But so I open it like that's just a magnetic little open close, and then right in this front pocket right here I just keep my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know if you guys want to see an updated what's on my iPhone. I'll do that for you guys. And then also in this front pocket I have a little disposable mask. I didn't even know that was in there. And then that's all for that little front pocket. And then now into the main compartment, I'm just gonna start pulling random things out. But I have my little Chanel Chance travel perfume. A lot of this stuff, like I said, was in my last what's in my bag. And then I have this little migraine stick. I got this off of Amazon, but basically if you get a really bad headache, I get them so bad, you guys. You just put it on your temples, I believe, and forehead, yeah. And it helps. I've only used this a couple times, but I think it does work. I don't know. Then, okay, I just put out two things. Then I have my little hand sanitizer. I love this one so much. And I got it from Ulta. I'll have all these items linked down below. I know I forgot to mention that. And then also I have this hair finishing stick. Sam Knight is the brand. Basically, it looks like mascara and it's not opened yet, so I'm not gonna open it. It literally looks like a mascara tube and wand, and you just like kind of brush it along your baby hairs that frizz up like on your head, and it just like flattens them out and makes your hair look less frizzy. I have one in my bathroom and then one in my purse, but I haven't used the one that's in my purse yet because I just recently got this stuff, but it's really good. And you know, like if you're in the car and you're like trying to touch up your hair and you notice that you have like baby hairs, it's super annoying, so I just thought I would keep that in my purse. And then I pulled out three things. Okay, so the first thing that I have is my little Gucci Marmont card holder. I just keep a bunch of random cards, like gift cards and like some loose change in here. Just random little cards that aren't like my main cards in this wallet, so yeah. So then I also have this Glossier hand lotion. I just have this in here because my hands get super dry in the winter, especially with Corona. Like we're washing our hands and hand sanitizing our hands like crazy, and mine just dry out really fast. So I just have this little hand lotion. I love it. Smells good. I love pink, if you guys can't tell. Then I also have this little hook thing. I got this off of Amazon. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box, but basically you just hook your purse strap to this little clip and you can clip it on a surface. Like I could clip it to this table that I'm filming at. You could clip it if you're at a restaurant and you want to clip it to the table and have your purse hang from there instead of putting it like on the back of your chair. Or if you're in the bathroom and you don't want to put your purse like on those purse hooks, or even if they don't have a purse hook, you can literally hook this to the stall. So I just love it. And it's gold, so it matches my bag. Okay, so I actually had these hanging in my hallway on these little hooks that I have in my apartment because I totally forgot to put them in the video. But I'll show you guys like what my purse looks like with everything in it at the end. I'll show you guys what it looks empty too. But my keys fit perfectly. I'll show you guys at the end. But these are my keys. I always carry these with me. Yeah, nothing crazy. I just have a little Balenciaga keychain, a little Nike Air keychain, my car key, and then a bunch of random keys, lake house key, parents house key, apartment scanner, mailroom key, and then my Louis Vuitton key pouch. And guys, I'm like obsessed because it matches perfectly. Like look at that duo right there. So nice. But I just have literally all my cards in here. Credit, debit, student ID card, just random cards that I need with me at all times. And then my like not so necessary cards I keep in here. Like I have my boating license in here. I have my insurance card, my old debit card, a Hobby Lobby gift card, just random things. So, okay, what's next? So I have 3 more things left in that main compartment. I have this little Gucci lip balm and it's so pretty. I love this shade. It's like a tinted lip balm. This is in the shade No More Orchids and I love this lip balm so much. I have some Advil liquid gels because you never know when you're gonna get a headache, even though more recently I've been taking Tylenol instead of Advil because studies have shown that like if you take Advil and you have corona and you don't know it, it can like worsen the symptoms. So I've just been taking Tylenol just in case. I don't know. I'm very careful with that kind of stuff. And then I also have my AirPod Pros in here. I love these so much. They're noise canceling and I love them. Like if I'm getting my eyelashes done, I always pop these in. If I'm walking to class, I always need these. Just literally anywhere, I need these. I think that's all in the main compartment and this little front pocket, but I do have a little zip up pouch and then I have a pocket in the back of the purse. So I'll show you guys. So in that little zip up pocket, I have 3 lip products. These were all in my last what's in my purse, but the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm and Berry, the Dior Lip Glow Oil in 007, love this stuff, and then Glossier BirthdayBalm.com, love that stuff too. And then I just have my little Louis Vuitton, like I don't know, this came with the bag, I don't even know what it is or what it says. And then the code for this bag and like the little barcode and everything. I don't know if I can show that, I don't see why not, but yeah, so that's in there. And I'm pretty sure that's everything that's in there. And then in the back compartment, I have a pack of extra gum. And then I have another barcode situation. And then I have a little eyelash spoolie. So that's everything that fits in my purse. I will show you guys what this bag looks like when I put everything in it. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so that's what my purse looks like with literally everything that I just showed you inside. You guys can see my keys are in there, my phone's in there, everything. And then it closes up and voila. And that's what the back looks like when I have the gum in there, but if I don't have it in there, it's more flat, as you can see. That's everything that I carry in my new chain bag. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and click that bell. Upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen somewhere up here, down here, somewhere. I don't know. And they're also listed and linked in the description box below. Make sure to check the links in my description box for links to all these items that I showed in this video. And also, if you haven't seen my review and unboxing on this bag, make sure you check it out. I'll have a link in the description. I try it on for you guys. I review it. I tell you why I got it, how I got it, and I unbox it on camera. So I love you guys so much. Let me know your purse essentials in the comments down below and what you think about this bag, because I am currently obsessed with it. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye. Bye guys.